I wonder what Lizzie Witch is going to do today. Let's watch, see if we can guess. Did you see what happened? Let's watch again. Yes, she made the egg float on top of the water. Was it magic, Lizzie? Yes? I wonder. So let's see if we can do it without magic. All you need is some salt and a little jug of warm water, because we're going to dissolve the salt in the warm water. It just makes it easier. About 4 teaspoons full, dissolve it in a little warm water, and then we're ready to make magic. Now here's the egg. Watch what happens when I pour the salt water in. See, it's floated right to the top, and no matter what you do, it will not stay at the bottom. And in case you don't believe me, here's a glass of plain water. Let's take the egg out and put it into the plain water. And it sinks right down to the bottom. Put it back into the salt water. And it stays at the top. Well, it certainly looks like magic, doesn't it? But it's just really clever science. And how does it work? Well, the inside of this egg, we say, is much denser than the water. And if we crack the egg, you'll see, yes, it certainly looks a lot thicker, doesn't it, than the water. It's denser than the water, and because it's denser than the water, it's heavier and it sinks right down to the bottom in plain water. But when you add the salt to the plain water, you make the water denser, thicker than the egg, and so the egg stays on top. It floats.